Offset printing or offset lithography is a printing process that is over 100 years old, yet it is the most popular form of printing. Offset printing is a commonly used technique in which the inked image is transferred from a plate to a rubber blanket, then to the printing surface. It is a dominant industrial printing technique which is used for the printing of wide range of products such as cards, stationery, leaflets, brochures, magazines, books, etc. Offset lithography became the most popular form of commercial printing from the 1950s. Substantial investment in larger presses called for the use of offset lithography. This had an effect on the printing industry and made color printing possible, as this had been previously much more expensive.
History of offset printing. Offset printing is an old and commonly used technique. In 1875, Robert Barclay patented his first rotary offset lithography printing press. It was developed by combining the mid 19th century transfer printing technology and Richard Marsh Hoy's 1843 rotary printing press. Many printers used this technique. Before the discovery of Washington Rubel, metal rollers were used in the machines. It so happened in 1901, once Washington Rubel forgot to load a sheet, to discover that rubber rollers gave a much more clean and sharp print than compared to metal. By 1907, the Rubel offset press was in use in San Francisco.
Offset printing has a special technique of its own. In this, the media is being transferred, which basically means offset to the rubber rollers or cylinders and then to the print media. It is very much accurate and the results are pretty much precise. It also helps produce large quantities of the product in the most effective manner, and that itself makes a huge positive impact for it to be used widely all over the world.
The anatomy of an offset printing press consists mainly of 5 systems. The sheet control system is a mechanism that transfers a sheet of paper that will be printed on through the press. The printing units contain everything needed to print one color on the sheet of paper that is moved around by the sheet control system. Offset presses typically contain 4 printing units of color C, M, Y, K. The inking system is the reservoir that holds ink. Offset ink is not a fluid ink, it's more like a thick paste. The dampening system makes sure the non-image areas of the printing plates are moistened with water so that they will repel ink. The plate, blanket, and impression cylinders are large rolls of aluminum where the transfer of print actually takes place. The offset process is the lithographic process. Lithography is a process based on the repulsion of oil and water. An image that is offset printed is separated into its fundamental colors. This example is assuming a 4-color job of a brochure with text and images. The brochure would be broken down into the primary printing colors cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. For every color, a separate plate is made. A plate cylinder is made up of areas that are receptive to grease and areas that are receptive to water. The areas receptive to grease hold on to the ink, while the other areas attract water and repel the ink. These plates are then put onto a press. From the ink fountains, the press pulls in the ink and puts it onto the plate. The press applies great pressure to the plate and the ink imprints the image from the plate onto the offset cylinder with a rubber blanket. The image is then pressed onto the paper off the blanket to make a print. This same process takes place for the 4 other colors printed onto each other, and the image comes back together perfectly.
Web offset uses a continuous paper feeding mechanism. The pages are cut and separated after they are printed. When it comes to images, this type of printing job requires that you print the images you wish to reproduce on a plate. Most commercial printing for catalogs, magazines, and book is done on web offset printing process. Web offset printing doesn't produce harmful chemicals and it is ideal for large printing runs because its speed, low cost and flexibility.
Unlike the web offset printing, wherein a continuous roll of paper is fed into the printing press, in sheet-fed offset printing, single individual sheets of paper are fed into the printing press one at a time. About 4,000 to 18,000 sheets are printed and produced per hour by sheet-fed printing presses. The printed products produced are enormous and covers most items printed. However, with an exception of certain types of packaging and long runs of magazine publications, what sheet-fed printing presses are known to produce are business cards, business flyers, business forms, brochures, etc.
High quality printing. The printer operator can control the ink flow, which means there are fewer wasted prints that don't provide enough contrast within the image. As a result, you get a clean, sharp image on every piece. Low cost for high volume job. The more you need to be printed during each cycle, the less it costs to produce each piece. Faster printing for high volume jobs. The printer operator can control the ink flow by turning keys to ensure your print quality remains at an optimal level. Inexpensive printing plates. The plates are relatively inexpensive and easy to make and can be used up to 1,000,000 times, which helps to keep costs low. Variety of printing material. One of the most attractive offset printing advantages. You can print your project on leather, fabric, metal, variety types of paper and cardstock, wood and plastic. Print on most of any surface or shape. The flexible rubber blanket used in offset printing easily conforms to different surfaces and shapes. Print on a round container or plastic bottle with ease. Efficient printing plate save time and money. The custom metal plates created for your project are produced easily and cost effectively.
The disadvantages of offset printing are fewer, but they include time and cost associated with producing plates and printing press setup. As a result, very small quantity of printing jobs may now use digital offset machines. Also, the printing quality, while high, is not quite as good as photogravure or rotogravure printing. Finally, the printing plates are made of ionized aluminium, making them vulnerable to chemical oxidation, so they need some extra care and maintenance. But all in all, the advantages outweigh the disadvantages with offset printing, at least when it comes to high volume printing jobs.
The advancement in technology has also enabled more and more businesses to enter the printing industry. This has increased competition and quality of services delivered. Good offset printing presses may be costly, but the long run use comes with benefits of economies of scale. This does not, however, mean that the important advances in other types of printing are neglected. Innovative manufacturers are even designing and producing printers that utilize both laser technology and offset printing technology. The major point reiterated here is that the choice of a printer should be based on the nature of the work, the quality and quantity required, and the urgency period.